Hey everyone, Davey here with Fragrance Bros. Real quick, I'm doing another split. This time I'm doing a split on Tom Ford Vanille Fatale, his latest in the private blend line. I've smelled it and I really like it. I think it's a really fantastic addition. So we're gonna do a split of it. All right, you know the drill, of course. I'll gladly ship anywhere in the world provided you assume the risk. The bottle is available to whoever wants a large share, and it's a little extra in the shipping. All right, so let's get to prices. 5 ml is $18 domestic, $24 international. 10 ml is $32 domestic, $38 international. 20 ml is $60 domestic, $66 international. 30 ml is $87 domestic, $93 international. And 50 ml is $144 domestic, $152 international. Have the bottle on hand so I can ship everything off right away. You can email me at fragrancebros@gmail.com or you can contact me through Facebook. I'll have links down below to all of those. Just let me know if you want any and I'll ship it off. Thanks again, guys. Bye.